Manipur joins the world in celebrating 4th International Yoga Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says yoga is a powerful unifying force in strife-torn world. Chief Minister Biren warns of stringent punishment to anyone bringing social maladies in the state. JSC against the unnatural shifting of district hospital in Pali Savolmang appeals to the government to translate its promise into action at the earliest. BJP Manipur Pradesh says the party has intimated the issue of Manipur University to national leaders of BJP. And the National Committee of Lok Janashakti Party LGP appoints CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham as LGP's National Vice President. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joy Srivusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. The 4th International Yoga Day was celebrated across the globe today. In the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi led thousands of people in performing yoga asanas in the main event held at Forest Research Institute in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. He called upon people to make yoga a movement and a part of their lives. He said yoga has emerged as the biggest unifying force in the world and has become a biggest mass movement. In Mumbai, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu led the Yoga Day program at Bandra Reclamation Sea-Link Promenade. The event was organized by Spandan Art, an NGO run by BJP's City Unit Chief Ashish Shelar. Manipur celebrated the 4th International Yoga Day with the rest of the world today. Chief Minister Nongthongpon Biren attended the state-level Yoga Day celebration on the theme Yoga for Harmony and Peace, jointly organized by State Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports and Directorate of Ayush, State Ayush Society at Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren asserted that yoga helps in controlling mind, body and spirit, and it also acts as catalyst in propagating peace across the globe. The Chief Minister called on to spare some time in a day to practice yoga to bring peace to one's body, mind and soul. He mentioned that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, United Nations acknowledged Yoga Day at the international level as it promotes, advocates and serves as the medium of peace in India and beyond. Referring to the recent drug holes in the state, Chief Minister Biren warned that any individual trying to malign and degrade the society will be harshly dealt with according to law, irrespective of his background or profession. He further appeals to the public to be aware of such deceitful individuals. The Chief Minister, along with Health Minister L. Jayanta Kumar, Chief Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu and Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare joined in performing yoga asanas to mark the day.
Logos yoga gesing program new koi mayam shanti musi sanana lemindana badu action yoga sanana sanabana laina makam kya labak chibadi subum bamasana ishor na ba kam nasa na ba new unit plus nakna basum ko se koi nunti gi sanabana ai to sanna ai gi government di yangaroi Isa Haguleroi, Aigi Party Haguleroi, Aigi Me Haguleroi, Nigi Me Haguleroi, Hatta Babu Tauraba, Samaz Mak Babu Tauraba, Mado, difference of the sub islands between the Warta Kilorim. As Kulti Party, Aigi Isani, Aigi Muni, Aigi Mari Matani, Adoni Adani, society lower regular.
Speaker Yumnam Khemchan, along with the staffs of Manipur Legislative Assembly, also celebrated the 4th International Yoga Day at the Banquet Hall of Manipur Legislative Assembly today. Various asanas were performed at the event. Yoga Day celebration was also held at Raj Bhavan today. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, along with Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen and students performed the yoga asanas to mark the celebration. Dr. Najma Heptullah called on everyone to practice yoga asanas daily for better health of mind and body.
This is the fourth international yoga Divas that we are doing yoga. We should commit ourselves that every day we will practice different aspects of yoga, because this is not only good for your body, but it's good for your soul. And this ancient practice, knowledge, which only our country has, we should be proud of it. And we should spread it, the message of yoga, to the rest of the people, in the rest of the world, whenever, wherever we go.
Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan and Paravidya Yoga Sanstha also jointly celebrated the 4th International Yoga Day at the Interstate Bus Terminus in Chingmairong. Over 1,000 people, including Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham, attended the event where various yoga asanas were demonstrated. Central Agriculture University CAU also joined in celebrating the 4th International Yoga Day today. College of Agriculture and College of Food Technology CAU held the celebration in the gymnasium hall of the college. The 4th International Yoga Day was also celebrated in Thoubal district. Around 700 students from various schools across the district attended the main event where various yoga asanas were demonstrated in the indoor hall of Thoubal College. Various parts of Bishnupur district also celebrated the 4th International Yoga Day. Royal Academy of Law College, Oinam, Bishnupur district celebrated Yoga Day in the conference hall of the college, while Nehru Yuva Kendra, Bishnupur, held the celebration at Kiamba Ningsing Shanglen in Bishnupur Bazaar. MLA Oinam L. Radhakishore highlighted the benefits of yoga at the event. BJP Patsoi Mandal also celebrated International Yoga Day at the Community Hall of Sagolban Lokham Leirak. Members of OBC Morcha, Kishan Morcha, Yuva Morcha and Mahila Morcha under the Mandal attended the event where various yoga asanas were demonstrated. Yoga District Administration Churachandpur also celebrated the 4th International Yoga Day near Khugadam today. Autonomous District Council ADC Churachandpur led the people in cleaning the premises of Khugadam on the occasion. St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School along with 5th JAK Rifles, BJP and OBC Morcha Imphal West jointly organized the 4th International Yoga Day celebration at St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School in Sangai Proud today. Around 235 individuals including residents of Children Home, Sagolban Tera Kaitel and people residing near the school attended the event. Various asanas were performed under the guidance of 5th JAK Rifles coach. Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal and Kumbi College also celebrated the 4th International Yoga Day today. Yoga Training and Research Center Manipur also joined in celebrating the 4th International Yoga Day at Sai RC Multi-Purpose Hall in Takil. Yoga practitioners of the center demonstrated yoga asanas while resource persons spoke length on the health benefits of practicing yoga. Modern Yoga and Healthcare Center also celebrated the 4th International Yoga Day 2018 at its premises in Kwaketel, Haurak, Chambi. Members of the center attended the event. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, also joined in celebrating International Yoga Day today. The event was held at the Jubilee Hall of RIMS. JSC against the unnatural shifting of District Hospital Imphal East Sagolmang has appealed to the government to translate its promise to construct the Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang into action at the earliest. A meeting of the supporter of the JSC's movement to construct the hospital at Sagolmang and members of the JSC was held at the multi-purpose community hall of Sagolmang Khewa Company today. People of Kundrakpam and Saikul constituencies, along with people of Sagolmang who took part in the meeting, appreciated the government's decision and chanted slogans for construction of the hospital at the earliest. Members of Maira Paibi organizations, CSOs from different parts of the state and representatives of many political parties attended the meeting. Speaking to media persons, President of MPP Jugindro stated that the construction of the District Hospital at Sagolmang is a right decision. However, construction of the hospital at two different locations is meaningless and will be a wastage of public fund. People who sustained injury and arrested by the police during the movement were honored with gifts on the occasion.
Manipur ay nang hawki ba jungi tang taraga mangada Sagolmang di samuhan ng sarani haina haibira pagsimak Honorable Minister Madi nga puri puno mabu JSC site gi kai khonja madi thagat sa phongdo jogol hoina subsal si sarani haina lakop bigera brina yam athuba matamda hairi subsal si sabiu haiba adu parjam yam gi kholawi.
Home Department, Government of Manipur, in a press release informed that S. Thautang has been appointed as the superintendent in charge of Manipur Central Jail, Sajiwa. Students of Manipur University, led by Manipur University Students Union MUSU, held a human chain protest demanding to oust the Vice Chancellor, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, at the gate of the university today. The students formed the human chain as part of their protest demanding the ousting of the VC since May 30 this year. Speaking to media persons, President MUSU M. Diamond said the demand to expel the VC is still unheard despite memoranda for the same were submitted to Prime Minister's office, the Union HRD Ministry and the authority concerned. He maintains that the negligence of the VC is not only affecting the students of the university, but even the students of other colleges affiliated to the university. Diamond warned of resorting to different forms of agitation until their demand is met.
अखोई खोंजंग से हौरको मतम दा हाइजब तारे खोंजंग से हौरको मतम दा मा क्लैरिफिकेशन पीबा याबगी रूम मयाम म लेरमने अदुगी रूम मयाम दो मा लौगिद्रे मा तुमिन साइलेंट लेसलगा दा मा इरेस्पोंसिबल ओइबा नेचर दो अदुम उथोक्तुना 20 डेज से महिरोय मयाम से अदुम सफर तोहंदना लाखरबनेबा अदु सुमाइना सांगलो मतम से महिरोय मयाम से सफर तौरो सिबाउदा केमता हाइदना लेरकान दा हौजि थेंगलो मतम से मा क्लैरिफिकेशन पीरबा मतम दा अखोई खोंजंग से हंदोप कसु तौरोय अखोई डिमांड याना फार्म ओइ बीसी irresponsible oy aduna mahak lokthokadabani mahak lokthokti fawba khoi khongjang si changsin jagani.
Local surrounding people of the Manipur University, Kanchipur and clubs nearby Manipur University will jointly stage a sit-in at Kakwa Market on June 23 at 10 a.m. against the prevailing issue of Manipur University. I beg your pardon. The association in a press release appeals to the public to take part in the protest made in demand for safeguarding students' career lives and Manipur University. Manipur University Staff Association Musa, in a press release, strongly condemns the government for utilizing police personnel to break open the 22 days long locked doors of the A block of Manipur University by the protesters amidst the crisis prevailing in the university campus. The association further criticized the government for failing to resolve the issue at hand and adopting such undemocratic measures. They drew the attention of the authority of Manipur University, the Ministry of Human Resource Development and other government institutions to resolve the issue at the earliest. On the other hand, General Secretary Administration BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat Kumar asserted that the party has intimated the issue of Manipur University to national leaders of the party through an official letter sent to party's central office. Sarat Kumar stated that the initiative of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee to resolve the issue is laudable, however, appeals to the Congress party not to try to gain political mileage out of the issue. Addressing media persons at BJP Manipur Pradesh office in Nite Park Chutek today, Sarat Kumar appeals to all civil society organizations and senior citizens to help in resolving the issue of the university. He also appeals to the people to help in bringing an understanding between the students and the VC in order to restore normalcy in the academic atmosphere of the university and save the students' career. Sarat Kumar also expressed that the party supports the Union Cabinet's decision imposing present rule in Kashmir.
Hojik Ladiba, Manipur University, Sarang Naba, Tandu Leta Daba, Pivamasi, am the conducive atmosphere among Anmohanabada, Musugi Ladiba, Sata Singi Union, Aduga Ozasingi Union, Aduga Bisiki Marakta, Punakoi, Paminaraga, Kaino Yana Pimamda, Lagnamohanabada, Honaraga, Musida, Academy atmosphere, Akaiba Pidanaba Honabu, Congresski, leadership Chalaga, Sata Sansan Unaruba, Ozak Sansan Unaba, Konaba, Mayamadu. Layback over Yanaba, the program of one of the Mating Pangiba, where they welcome to Zi, Aduna Tadana, Ecohena, Masisok to Patos of Tornavimong, Tam Kongtang Vergadi, where the Tobigan has.
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit has lauded DIG in charge of NAB, Tempting Asangva and additional SP NAB, TH Brinda for apprehending chairman of Chandel Autonomous District Council, Lukosai Zo, and 7 others for involving in illicit drugs trafficking. It may be mentioned that large number of heroin number 4 and the world is yours tablets, including old currency notes, were seized from the chairman by a team of Narcotic Affairs and Borders NAB, stating that Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit strongly supports the BJP's campaign of war against the drug. President of Shiv Sena Manipur Unit, M. Tombi, told media persons that the Manipur police has arrested countless number of perpetrators involved in drug trafficking lately. However, punishment awarded to the individuals has not been published to the general public. Tombi maintains that it is high time to take adequate actions against such criminals who are oblivious of the rules and regulations prevalent in the state. General Secretary of Yuva Sena State Unit N. Jugesh and President C.H. Gitan appeals to the relevant authorities to give befitting punishment to all the accused without further delay.
Honorable Chief Minister na drugs ki games sangsil lakwa sigumba achuba akoi gi mai pakun amani haina su thamjage message da ngarang ton ba state forces amadi narcotics ki kambuna magi residence sa masiki proceeded hende tor modunda mabu custody da puna hona bakanda mana mafam madu da ki telephone toriba VIP kharadi shoidana hairiba drugs se masiki karbar sta chenari habisi mana telephone toriba aduna tai leiba border ki leiba fencing sida karam tawna lithoga karam tawna khudin thabi se post karam tawna lithoga laimano masi so wohang amane masi wohang sina mar morga haiba case se NIA da sinanaba Shivsena demand tori.
Corporator Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Wards number 26 Maibon Paume has asserted that the indigenous tribal communities in the valley are facing a lot of inconveniences as the government departments have made land documents mandatory in issuance of scheduled tribe and OBC certificates. The corporator questioned how land documents are related with the certificates and if land documents can be the identity proof of the tribals. Maibon appeals to the government to issue these certificates in the easier process. Speaking to media persons at his residence at Namdulong today, Maibon Paume said the initiative of the government is commendable if it is to check the influx of outsiders in the state. However, ST and OBC certificates are still being issued in hill districts as earlier. He also said the department authorities are providing recognition to newly settled communities in hill districts. The corporator condemned the conduct of the new government for asking land documents to indigenous people to issue their rightful certificates instead of looking into the illegal settlements. He also maintains that the new government is asking to provide income certificate while issuance of beneficiary cards under National Food Security Act (NAFSA), which never occurred during the rule of the Congress government in the state.
Manipur da leriba Shilu tribe singasi magi tribe amani haba proof ama pibasi pata do ina mo base to pata pai de mi da tribe certificate piro haiba amakha handa government asina asmaina pressure piro pom tamsida public ta phana bangang ni ba tauna bangang ni ba government asina asingba harassment mo piro pa se koi gi aigi water leriba koi tribal sing the effect over haukiba matamnasu government of Manipur khatna all India da singbasi chanade sing da leriba district manga aside di initially de sum normally piri phajana piri aduga di asi khak impan khak da madu strict to kan sida Manipur gi oina chanabani habadu lawgudra sini.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the appointment of CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham as the National Vice President of Lok Jana Shakti Party LJP. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. National Committee of Lok Jana Shakti Party LJP has appointed former National Secretary of Lok Jana Shakti Party LJP and President CAF and PD Minister of the state Karam Sham as the National Vice President of LJP. The decision was taken in a meeting of the National Committee of LJP attended by the party's National President Ram Vilas Paswan yesterday. Spokesperson of LJP Manipur State Unit and Ibohol expressed pride and happiness at the appointment and stated that Minister Karam Sham was offered the position of National Vice President of LJP for his dedication in serving the people and the country with political integrity for a long time. Speaking to media persons at LJP's office in Babupara, and Ibohol maintains that the National Committee nominated Karam Sham in recognition of the efforts put in by the party members since its inception in Manipur in the year 2001. He hoped that Minister Karam Sham will continue to serve the party and citizens of the country with sincerity even in the future. Ibohol also appeals to all the people to support and cooperate in all future endeavors of the party.
Kathokpa amaga loinena miyamgi seba tawjeriba sigumba political party asigi mapung phaba mapangan mau sagatuna tangdu leitaba Manipur ama poraknaba Bharat ama ohenaba gi khongjang kaya Lok Jana Shakti Party na changchan jarakpu matamda Manipur ki miyamna amadi Bharat ki miyamna sungsoi soidan sahojok tawbirakani haibasi Lok Jana Shakti Party gi achetpa thajabani.
People's Development and Coordinating Committee (PDCC) has termed it unfortunate that the government has initiated road repair works to deceive people during the monsoon season amidst the ban of road repair works for not maintaining quality and for drawing fund without any work. The committee expressed apprehension if the government is supporting treacherous contractors. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, General Secretary of PDCC T.H. Hemjit said the work order to repair Imphal Cycle Road from Yumnam Patlo Chingjil to Sagulmang was issued in 2016. He alleged that a firm of MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar, L. Singh and Co., which is in charge of the repair work, drew the fund without initiating any work. Hemjit intimated that a memorandum was submitted to the Chief Minister to blacklist the firm and draw back the fund on June 19. He stated that the repair work was initiated amidst their request to the government to hand over the work to relevant government department. Hemjit also intimated that he was threatened by an active worker of MLA Lokeshwar for revealing the truth on media. He urged to the department concerned to stop the work with no quality maintenance immediately.
Government pu usitana tawrakliba asugumlaba contractor sing asi mathakta government na ngasi hayengmakki manungda hariba contractor sing asi blacklist tawbiu aduga mokhoina lokthokriba chawroba chenpam lupa crore aniga lakh humpu amadi eltar pona lokthoiba lupa crore ama kendra sige MLA Lokeshwar ki farm MSL singen ko hariba farmers in local level pa crore aniga lakh humpu hariba sing asi government recovery tawbiu haiba wafam se thamjari karigumba lenga kasina tabirakta taragadi masi gi mathakta nungju marakta tharakliba koila असी अकोई पीडीसी सिना माइके chung miang ngolo na madu thingjin jagani masi aso open yorop kudima government na lengasan dai to oigdawni habo pam chatham.
On the other hand, reacting to the PDCC's allegations, contractors and workers associated with construction of Imphal Cycle Road have clarified that the accusation made by PDCC for failing to undertake construction works after withdrawing the money is baseless. Subcontractor of Patlo Chingjin Construction El Thoiba told media persons that construction was carried out under the supervision of firm El Tarpon from Kashampat, Tokchom Lekai. He explained that they plan to complete the construction before the financial year. However, inconveniences caused by transportation of heavy machineries and necessary equipments delayed the work. Urging the relevant authorities to refrain from blaming the ones in charge without proper investigation, Thoiba assured to complete the remaining portion of the road leading to Sagolmang Hospital within the next few days.
Somungi plan sida ahanba mansing ekoi dakar oiba material khudimu somu plan dai koi thamjai thamaba kan sida surrounding gi public na koi pollution thoe haidana hairiba plan ase thingjan lakpan material khuding maksi ekoi HBS pasoi da akoi amuk loina muk transport tok jaraga leijari ba khara si amuk tharba kan sida pasoi gi plan simajo amuk thingjan lakpa madada leirama mal singji amu ekoi posong plan da amuk puthok sara aga ekoi ngasi asi ekoi thaba hokjarakpani sumaina public interest ekoi ne sujariba thabak sida disturbance pibirakpasa masi faidagi hena lai thibani haina ai thamjani.
Secretary of All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union, Maimom Anil, has condemned the harassment meted out towards drivers plying on National Highway 2. He said drivers in Manipur appreciate the Central Motor Vehicle Act passed by High Court of Manipur. However, the drivers are still being harassed. Speaking to media persons at MG Avenue office today, Anil maintains that the conduct of the individuals who confiscate truck challans and detained drivers is unjustifiable. He questioned under whose authority these operations are being conducted and appeals to the relevant authorities to conduct in the right manner.
Central Motor Vehicle Act ki matungina High Court na thopo order ekoi All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union na ekoi ga kunaje adubu husin National Highway number 2 da ekoi gi yamna ekoi gi Manipur gi oiwa atu maru oiba chinja gunga chana khangda ba transportation gi pot mayam poragde singsi ekoi gi mioi kujau kharana lambi jida thuoga ain ji makoi gi makuta vairaga gari gi salam singna chingba adagi leiba gari singi document sing chezang sing bunba habsi ain putta pair sizinaraga tawba thaba amani haina ekoi indian condemn tawi porchalai ba pot me amasi Manipur prajagini tawum thokuni adar saigi puran bagi pot amakha tahan bagi mung amada driver sing da awa ba harassment tawsi union na tumina leitholoi habsi.
A 3-day-long leadership development program for Congress Sevadal in the northeast states to discuss the new rules and regulations of Indian National Congress Sevadal kicked off today. The development program was held at Congress Bhavan BT Road, organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Sevadal. Speaking on the occasion, former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby said the Indian National Congress Sevadal is an organization which played a pivotal role in driving out deed-end British imperialists from the country. He stressed the need to make necessary changes in the organization to strengthen it as per the time. Former President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Gai Khangam, Vice President N. Loken, MLA Mirabai Meghachandra and Tatolian Amo were among those present at the event. Chief Organizer All India Congress Sevadal Lalji Desai, who will be providing training to the members of the Dal, stated that once the organization used to be very strong, however, it only served the party leaders for quite some time. He maintained that the Dal will now revive its strength and work for the welfare of the people. 60 Seva members from different northeast states attended the leadership development program.
District level da, block level da, hojik yaubi gadoriba, atopa state tagi sulak piriba. Participants sina Manipur da natana aina thaizabadadi ngasigi atienba training program si loreba matungda magi state ta district level da block level da sungsoi soidana training pidna sebadan si yamna sakti leiba organization ama ohendana Congress party si henama pangan kakhatna ba hotna bada ikoi pumna maki daita lominarasi.
Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Imphal joined the rest of the world in celebrating International Music Day today. Eminent film director and music composer Aribam Sham Sharma graced the celebration held at Priyo Gopal Sana Auditorium of the college as the chief guest. Speaking in the event, Aribam Sham Sharma stated that it is high time to hold a discourse on Manipuri music. He asserted that the history of Manipuri music is a significant one as different genres constitute the music. The music composer called on for inculcating the essence of music to the youth, much like appreciation for films. Students of the academy enthralled the audience with their classical music performance at the event.
यार चाव म्यूजिक की पुकई मणिपुर लेरी है खाने मखल मचेल कयानी सूर की वही की फोकलोर की हजिक एम ए करीद मैम रिसर्च तौर थीब फोकलोर की मैम लोना लेख्रे नुपाल अनी समनहलीबसी म्यूजिक नने माना मुंग स्पिरिचुअल मींडन लाइफ स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ अनी समझनरीबसी अतैना अमत नत्ते म्यूजिक नने मान हाइरबे मसीगोंदा यामरे मागी मरमददी म्यूजिक एसिना वाहिना फोंदोक ngамदबदु म्यूजिक न फोंदोकपनी लेदन अखोय लोइना खंगनरबा ngakतने.
Morning Daily's Manipur Chronicle celebrated its 6th anniversary by donating food and stationery items to Leiba Yaibilen Children Home at KB Sanapat in Imphal East District today. Manipur Chronicle, espousing positive journalism, has its head office at Jiribam and has been disseminating daily news of Manipur in English medium to the people of Jiribam and Barak Valley. Flood victims of Paubitek in Wangoi constituency has complaints that the relief and food items provided by the government are inadequate. They drew the attention of the government and relevant authorities to supply sufficient food and medicines to prevent a post-flood epidemic in the flood-affected areas. Impact news sources came across large areas of Paubitek still submerged under rainwater, even though the water level has receded in other areas, stating that the aid and assistance extended by the NGOs and social workers are not sufficient. A member of Paubitek Mayalekai Ward No. 2, Sana Tomba, told media persons that the inhabitants are still waiting for government's assistance to provide relief assistance and restore the affected areas without any further delay. On the other hand, a team led by State General Secretary of NPP, Kuraijam Loken, has visited the flood-affected areas in Paubitek and distributed food and other necessary items today. He also assured of undertaking immediate measures of constructing proper drainage system in the area since Paubitek suffers from monsoon flood every year. Loken also stated that medical camps will be conducted soon in the affected areas in collaboration with relevant government departments shortly.
Social worker की माइके देगी नतरा LGO की माइके देगी पिरकवा अखोई के पोयें खरा तुम बखर पिरक वसी नदे हो जाए अखोई तो वही बजाते सही अहुम थंगना ना इसिंग चावरे अखोई गा द डिफेल तोरे हिंबा अखोई याम अवाबनी हौजे हौजे लाइरिब जुम का इसिंग सि लाइब ngамदबना मरम मोइदना जुम अमदा बी मंगा तुरुक लाइबा तरे निपाल लाइसनबा कम्युनिटी हॉल गुंबा अचौब मफम लाइतबनिना जामना अवाब प्रॉब्लम होय
सरकार की साइट की यामना मपुंग फाना फंगे हाबगी वकतुना अखोई द कया लेम कया म तोरे अदु की अखोई हुजु जि लाइबे NPP की पार्टी की सिलाउसिंग तानरगा अथुब मतम सरकार लमदमसी अवाना लेबा अदुगा तमरुइना इसिंग कुमथरइबा अनाये यावरइबा हुजि लंबी मफमसिदा अखोइना लेपि मफमसिदा अखोइगी मनम नमथीना हाय अदुगो नमसु नमना मफमसिदा अखोइना येंगदे यादबनि तौदे यादब अथुब मेडिकल टीम ममा मफमसिदा लांगना बाइकोन सरकार की साइट याम थुना ngasimak ai samok selaga लांगा होने जगे हाय मफमसि मयाम थंजरमगे.
An organization, the Kakis Education Center, Ningthau Khong, will conduct a world-level crowd-funding campaign to collect a total of 4 crore rupees to provide assistance to the flood-affected victims of Manipur. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Chairman of the organization, Dr. Konthaujam Ibochauba, stated that the frequent occurrence of flash flood in the state is due to lack of long-term measures to curb the calamity. He maintains that victims faced lots of inconveniences due to lack of relief center and inability to rebuild the houses ruined by the flood. And as such, the organization will be conducting the campaign to help out those in need. He intimated that the campaign will collect 4 crore rupees from donors, government officers, individuals and agencies in 2 phases, and that the fund will be provided as assistance to rebuild houses damaged by the recent flood condition and to take preventive measures against flood. Ibo Choba said the organization will approach the government to sign an agreement to go hand in hand. He said if the government consents, the campaign will begin from next month.
Aikona sigumba proposal ama lakpa matamda government ga aikoi ga understanding ama lainadaba yadabanina aikona understanding ama lainanabagi damakta aikona MOU ama khak Manipur state government ga loinana aikoi sign taunaba pamje aikoi hojiki ichau ga mari lainana thokleiba aikoi gi problem singse masida aikoi gi construction tawbagi thabak makai pan sidege aikoi sizinaba aduga aikoi hojik mang takraba yum kaya aikona anobu yum sabiba aduga makoida victim oirabasing adug affected area oirabasing se masida aikoina karama makal gi mateng pang ba yage de haibase masida aikoi gi makal thidana specific kainoma thidana mateng si pang ba yaba mateng ni bu khallagadi aikoina mateng pang ba gi pot si chupan si sinaba.
Leaders and consultants of Modicare Company Limited, Manipur donated relief items to the flood-affected victims of Top Upokpi Thongkhong Wangoi constituency. Top Upokpi Mayai Lekai, Khongba Nandaibam Lekai, Khongba Makha Uchekon Ward number 7 and Nongmai Bungpung. The donated items includes a soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, body powder and phenol. One Dila Begum and KMYC also jointly distributed relief items to flood-affected victims in 15 Kairao Makting Zilla Parishad area of Kairao constituency. In a rather unfortunate event, a married man and father of a son and daughter, Moirangtem Shoba, 43 years from Khangabung Makhalekai Part 3, was accused of attempting rape on a 24-year-old married woman on June 18 around 11 p.m. Allegedly, the accused took advantage of her husband's absence. The victim, a 24-year-old woman, along with her husband, relatives and people of the locality, lamented that the police and authorities concerned failed to arrest the accused. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, the victim explained that the incident occurred when her husband and son were out of the house for a prayer service in the locality. She alleged that Soba entered her house without permission, then closed her mouth and tried to rape her. She said the physical scuffle drew the attention of her brother-in-law who was in the house and rescued her. The woman also alleged Shoba of physically assaulting her husband and brother-in-laws. She said an FIR was filed at Thawal police on the same day and reported the same to the local club and Pradhan. However, even after 3 days since the incident took place, the police nor the clubs or the Pradhan have taken any actions against Shoba. She urged to the authorities concerned to give befitted punishment to the accused without further delay.
Mana tawrije adu kitang mating pangbiyo haibne ba ina moida chatlije adu moi mating pang si bo kaita mating ai famda kaita mating pangbi de date 18 da moida ai khangal le khudak ta date 18 khangal madung asi date 20 hen grabne ai ta seng ai inaw padu la andra ga ai punsi kai oini ai bu mana hatu amaju ai rep tawraga ma ai mana ning matung ido thung balwaraga ai bu hatu amaju ai ba nga mana tawrije adu kitang.
Meanwhile, the Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, YFPHR, in a press release have notified that Thobal Women Police has failed to arrest the person accused of attempting rape on a married woman from Khangabong Makhalekai Part 2 due to his political influence. The organization also urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter and put the perpetrator behind bars at the earliest. Free gas connections under Ujwala scheme were distributed to 132 beneficiaries of Yai School constituency today. MLA Yai School Thokchom Satyabrata distributed the gas connection at an event held at Dharmalaya Community Hall in Brahmapur, Nahabam. It may be mentioned that free gas connections under the scheme have been distributed to around 500 beneficiaries of the constituency so far. BJP Sekmai Mandal, in collaboration with Lamsang Gas Agency, also distributed free LPG connections under Ujwala scheme at Larenkabi in Sekmai constituency today. General Secretary Admin BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat and General Secretary N. Nimbus, including large number of beneficiaries in the area, attended the event. Integrated Development Organization IDO Lilong IFAM has launched a 3-month-long fort dressmaking course at IDO headquarters Lilong today. The 10th position holder in the Class 10 examination 2018 conducted by BOSEM was also felicitated on the occasion. 30 trainees are taking part in the training program sponsored by additional Professor Rafi Shah from Lilong. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins the world in celebrating 4th International Yoga Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says yoga is a powerful unifying force in strife-torn world. Chief Minister Biren warns of stringent punishment to anyone bringing social maladies in the state. JSC against the unnatural shifting of District Hospital in Pali Sagolmang appeals to the government to translate its promise into action at the earliest. BJP Manipur Pradesh says the party has intimated the issue of Manipur University to national leaders of BJP. And the National Committee of Lok Janashakti Party LJP appoints CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham as LJP's National Vice President.